Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful.
I am Masira Khan. I am English language and English literature teacher. I will teach in class 1. For the sake of learning, we should have to adopt some good habits. So first of all, you have to listen to me, because listening is a first step to move forward towards learning. If you are a good listener, you will be a good speaker. And if you are a good speaker, you can read the text very well. And after that, you will be able to write things effectively. So be a good listener so that you will be a good learner. So listen to my lesson carefully so that you will be able to follow the directions and accept the challenges from my side. This is the title of our English learners book. We will read Cambridge Global English Learners Book for Class 1. This is the title of the English Learners Activity Book. We will practice the activities that we have learned from the Learners Book. So you must have Global English Activity Book for Class 1. Come to the content page. As you can see, there are 9 units. And each unit is divided into subunits like words and expression, use of English, reading and writing, listening and speaking, school subjects, phonics, word study, critical thinking, values. So this book will improve our listening, speaking, reading and writing skills, as well as it will improve our critical thinking and moral values. The subject English language. Our book is divided into 2 halves. In the first term syllabus, we will do unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3 and 4. All the work will be done in learner's book, activity book, worksheet pad and notebooks. We're going to start our lesson number 4, week 1. We will do from learner's book page number 16 and page number 10 from activity book. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to listen and follow directions. Listen for specific information, interview a friend, read and write color's name. Ask and respond to the informational questions. Now move towards the lesson and listen to me carefully to follow the directions and to achieve something positive. First, look at the girl. She is having a clipboard in her hand. She is interviewing the boy. She says, "This is Fatma." She is interviewing Ben. Fatma asks Ben 3 questions. Listen to Fatma. What question she asks? And she asks the question and write it down on the board. Now listen to the audio.
What's your name? My name's Ben. Can you spell your name, please? B-E-N. What's your favourite colour? Black. What's your name? My name is Lena. Can you spell your name, please? L-E-N-A. What's your favourite colour? Pink.
Now tell me, what is Ben's favorite color? Okay. And what is the spelling of his name? Can you spell Ben? Okay. So we come to know 2 information about the boy. First of all, his name is Ben, and secondly, his favorite color is black. So in interview, we ask the questions from the person about him or herself. Fatima take an interview of another girl. Listen to the audio track carefully to do the exercise further. Okay, after listening to the audio, you will be able to answer that. What is the name of the girl? What is her favorite color?
Yellow, lemon is
Now open the activity book, page number 10. Do mention day and date. Now, can you introduce your friend? Hopefully you can. Okay. Now tell me, what is your friend's name? Can you spell? Okay, what is his favorite color? Okay. Now, on this block, first of all, write your name as per the instructions. Read the instructions. Make a name card for yourself. Draw a picture of you. Make a name card for a friend. Draw a picture of your friend. Now, what you have to do, you have to make 2 pictures card. First one for yourself. Draw a picture of you over here. You can draw the picture or paste your picture. After that, write your name and your favorite color. Now come to the second card. This is the card number 2. Draw a picture of your friend. Write his name and his favorite color. So don't forget that name will start from capital letter. The first letter would be capital. As you know that we use his to show that this thing belongs to the boy, and we use her to show that the things belong to the girl. So his and her are the possessive adjective that shows that this thing belongs to a boy or a girl. If your friend is a boy, you will write his, and if your friend is a girl, you will write her. So solve this page. This activity number 2. This is my friend. Dash name is dash. So you have to write over here his or her. If your friend is a boy, you will write his. If your friend is a boy, you will write his. And if your friend is a girl, you will write her. Now you have to mention his name over here. Do mention the name. Okay. Now you have to write his or her over here. His favorite color is dash. Now you will write the name of the color. It would be any. That would be your friend's favorite color. As you have mentioned, you will mention in this block. Okay? Hopefully you all are able to talk about your favorite colors. As you love and like to talk with your friends, so you will be able to ask the questions from your friend. You may ask their favorite color and the spelling of their name. And if you don't have friends in your contact, you can ask your brother or sister to tell their name and their favorite colors. This is all for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you will do your work according to the instructions. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.